holiday nail art with Glam and Glitz acrylic system in this video coming up. Hello, I'm Anastasia. So one day I was scrolling through my Instagram feed and I found this satisfying video by Mel Beauty Nails and I was like, I need to do this as well. But believe it or not, even though I have like gazillions of different colors of acrylic powders, I happen not to have red glitter acrylic powder. So this is how I found the solution. One easy way is simply to use any glitter color and then apply a jelly gel polish on top, but since I do not have intense red color, I did this instead. So I took two deepened dishes for the monomer and I filled one with the regular monomer that I usually use. Then I took red stained glass paint, Idea Vetro, this is an Italian brand, and simply added a few drops into the monomer and mixed it really well. So now when you will use it with clear or clear with glitter powder, it will turn it into red glitter. And please do not use your regular acrylic brush with it, use another one because it will mess it up a little and it will always be kind of reddish. Besides that mixture, I will need a clean monomer and Glam and Glitz powder, medium blush, cut red-handed, a golden powder which is called Poetic, red Swarovski rhinestones together with a pickup tool, red caviar beads, Chiara Sky no wipe top coat, and some golden embellishments. Alright, let's get started. So this nail will be red, like the one I've seen on the video. So the powder I will be using here is called Jaunty, also by Glam and Glitz. This is like transparent powder with different glitter in it, but since I'm using the red monomer, we see the red glitter now. So I think this is a great way to create your own color if you happen not to have one. But since we mix monomer with stained glass paint, it will set a little slower. That will give you a little bit more time. But like I said, do not use your favorite brush because it becomes a little bit more sticky. So it's not the most comfortable product to work with, but I mean it still works, and make sure to clean the brush really well after that. I'm building the entire nail out of this powder and I personally do not mind if my nail bed will be a little red after that, but if you want to change the design after that, or your client is picky, or you're not sure if it will adhere, then it is better to do a thin layer of clear acrylic powder first. So then I will encapsulate it, and we need to do it anyways. I recommend to do it all the time with any glitter powders, so you will have the smooth surface and the product will set faster. After about 1 minute, I can slightly pinch the nail and then we can take off the form, and it depends on what you want to achieve. You can put on the plastic clip or just keep going. Next nail will be simply nude color because I want to create some design on top of it later. The color I am using is called Medium Blush by Glam and Glitz, and it is from Blend collection, so it is really easy to blend, but I ended up simply building the entire nail out of it. Recently, I posted a video with another color from this collection. It was light blush and the color is definitely lighter, and this one is like more cold pink color and it's darker. I think it matches with my skin tone really well. You will see it later once it sets up and we will apply the top coat. By the way, I'm right-handed, so now I'm working with my comfortable dominant hand. But for some reason the result was, I can't say it was bad, but I think my other hand was a little bit better. Let me guys know if you have this sometimes. I mean, you put so much effort into working with your non-dominant hand, then the outcome comes out even better than on the opposite one. For this nail, I did not use clear and did not encapsulate anything. I built it all totally from this medium blush color. Now I'm adding a little bit in the center because the apex is slightly missing. And then I will again pinch the nail and take off the form. We're doing almond shape here, and I strongly recommend you to check if the length is the same on all 10 nails right now, because it will be kind of complicated to fix it later, unlike when you're doing square or coffin shape. On the next nail, we will be doing a French style. So first, I'm doing a reverse smile line and using the same color I used on index finger, which is medium blush, and creating the long nail bed. And I just realized this one was kind of too long, but you know, you always want to make something longer than your own nail bed, right? So to make it longer, I had to do it at least like this. But then when I seen the final result, I was like, yeah, that's probably kind of too much. Anyways, now I'm using the color code right-handed. Oh, I mean red-handed, and this color is also from Blending Collection, and guys, I totally love it because you see it's not marbling, the color is not separating, and this is very rare for a really bright red color. So I'm definitely like the quality. And on the pinky we will be doing a golden color called Poetry, and once again I will build the entire nail out of it. I'm just too lazy to do a foundation of the clear acrylic today, but normally you're supposed to do that as well as encapsulate it. On index finger, I will create a line with black gel paint. I want to create a look of some kind of Christmas lights or Christmas decorations. So first, I'm adding the top coat and put on these golden embellishments. I haven't used them ever, so I decided maybe I should do it right now because they're like golden hollow. And on this one, I will add a little bit top coat mixed with that red stained glass paint. So one of them will be red and other ones will be golden. And now we need to seal them with the top coat, and if you have troubles sealing them, you can also apply a non-acid primer right on top of these embellishments. So now this is my favorite part. Everything was done only for this moment, so I can seal it with the top coat. And Chiara Sky top coat, it has a transparent brush and I totally love it, especially when you seal the glitter. This is so satisfying, guys. I mean, I could do it for days. So anyways, I'm sealing all nails and golden as well. And then we cure it in LED for 1 minute, and I decided to decorate this one with red rhinestones. So I usually secure my crystals with bling on gel by Accents. And I use Crystal Katana pickup tool to place them. In between, I will apply the red caviar beads, which by the way ended up turning into clear after 2 days. And do not forget to outline everything with a top coat so they will be secured forever, or until the next fill at least. This is it. Let me guys know which one of these nails is your favorite, and have you decided which set will you be wearing yourself on these holidays. So you just seen my left hand, and I will show you another hand in my next video. So do not forget to subscribe and you will not miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.